There is a group of primates in the animal kingdom known as the great apes. This grouping includes gorillas, chimpanzees, bonobos, orangutans, and humans. These primates are remarkable creatures as they share most of their DNA with us, making them uniquely positioned to assist us in understanding our evolution, behavior, and biology. Gorillas are divided into two species. The eastern gorilla, found in the montane and submontane forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, and Rwanda, and the western gorilla, which lives in the lowland rainforests of West Africa in dense vegetation, providing gorillas with ample food and shelter essential for their enormous bodies and complex social groups. Gorillas are highly intelligent and social animals that form close-knit family groups in the wild. In captivity, gorillas are often housed in zoos, wildlife parks, and sanctuaries for various reasons, including conservation efforts, research, and public education. While some argue that captivity helps protect gorillas from threats such as habitat loss and poaching, others raise concerns about the impact of confinement on their physical and psychological health. One of the main challenges captive gorillas face is the lack of space and environmental enrichment. In the wild, gorillas roam vast territories, forage for food, and engage in complex social interactions. In captivity, these natural behaviors are often limited, leading to boredom, stress, and health problems. Additionally, captive gorillas may exhibit stereotypic behaviors such as pacing, rocking, or self-harming, which are signs of psychological distress. Furthermore, the breeding of gorillas in captivity has been a controversial issue, with some facilities prioritizing genetic diversity and conservation, while others exploit gorillas for entertainment and profit. The separation of infants from their mothers, the use of artificial insemination, and the trading of gorillas between facilities have raised ethical concerns about the well-being and welfare of captive gorillas. Zoos and sanctuaries play a crucial role in the conservation and protection of endangered species like gorillas. Many accredited zoos participate in breeding programs, research projects, and educational outreach to raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Sanctuaries, on the other hand, provide a more naturalistic environment for rescued or retired gorillas, allowing them to live out their lives in a more peaceful and natural setting. Gorillas are considered highly intelligent. A few individuals in captivity have been taught a subset of sign language. Like the other great apes, gorillas can laugh, grieve, have rich emotional lives, develop strong family bonds, make and use tools, and think about the past and future. While captivity can serve as a valuable tool for research, education, and conservation, it is crucial to strike a balance between the benefits and drawbacks of keeping gorillas in captivity. In the wild, great apes exhibit a rich tapestry of behaviors that reflect their advanced cognitive abilities. They form intricate social groups, develop and use tools, and communicate through vocalizations and gestures. These behaviors provide valuable insights into the evolutionary roots of human society and culture. Gorillas live in stable family groups, often called troops, that are led by a dominant silverback male who is responsible for the safety and cohesion of the group. These groups typically consist of one male, several females, and their offspring. Gorillas are primarily herbivorous, feeding on a variety of vegetation, including leaves, stems, and fruit. They exhibit some of the non-human animals' most complex behaviors and social structures. Their intricate social systems, advanced communication methods, and sophisticated parenting techniques highlight their significant cognitive abilities and close evolutionary relationship with humans. Communication among great apes is rich and varied, encompassing vocalizations, facial expressions, gestures, and body postures. gorilla mothers also invest heavily in their offspring, carrying and nursing them for several years. The strong bond between mother and infant is crucial for the young gorilla's development, providing a secure foundation for learning social and foraging behaviors. Silverback males often play a protective role, ensuring the safety of the young within the troop. The survival of these magnificent animals depends on our ability to protect their natural habitats and mitigate the impacts of human encroachment. Chimpanzees, pan troglodytes, are the most well-known great apes and are native to the forests and savannas of Western and Central Africa. They are highly social animals that live in communities ranging from 20 to over 150 individuals. These communities are characterized by a complex social structure with a clear hierarchy, where an alpha male often leads the group. There are 4 subspecies of chimp: the central chimpanzee, pan troglodytes, living in Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Central African Republic, Gabon, and the Congo, with about 140,000 individuals. The Western chimpanzee, which has a population of 52,800, is found in the Ivory Coast, Guinea, Liberia, Mali, Sierra Leone, and several other adjacent countries. The Nigerian Cameroon chimpanzee, Pan troglodytes elioti, which lives in the forests of Nigeria and Cameroon, is highly endangered. Only 6,000 to 9,000 individuals are left. The eastern chimp, P. troglodytes schweinfurtii, from the Central African Republic, South Sudan, and several other countries, including Tanzania and Zambia, number in the 200,000. The southern chimp, P. troglodytes murrangensis, is a distinct population that bridges the gap between the northern and southern chimp populations, existing in a diverse range of habitats. Chimpanzees are very closely related to humans, sharing 98.7% of our DNA, and like humans, no two chimps look alike. According to recent studies, researchers believe that chimpanzees and bonobos split from the human line about 8 million years ago. Then bonobos divided from the standard chimpanzee line about 2 million years ago. Their bodies are covered in dark brown or black hair, and they usually have a short white beard on their chin. Their skin color is primarily white underneath their fur, although their faces, hands and feet are all typically black. Younger chimps usually have pinker or whiter faces, which darken when they become adults. As they age, chimpanzees' foreheads tend to go bald, while their fur often becomes more gray. Chimpanzees are incredibly intelligent and can use tools to obtain food and solve problems. For decades, they have been used in scientific experimentation, including pioneering space flights, although today most but not all nations have banned experimentation on the species. They communicate through vocalizations, facial expressions and gestures, demonstrating a rich repertoire of social behaviors. They also employ gestures, such as reaching out a hand or grooming, to strengthen social bonds and coordinate activities. Reproduction in chimpanzees involves a prolonged period of maternal investment. Female chimpanzees give birth approximately every 5 to 6 years, and the young remain dependent on their mothers for several years, learning essential survival skills through observation and imitation. Living in captivity poses significant challenges for chimpanzees, affecting their lives. One of the most pressing issues is the lack of space and environmental enrichment, leading to boredom, frustration, and even aggression among the chimps. Captive environments often fail to replicate the complexity and diversity of their natural habitats, depriving them of opportunities for exploration and mental stimulation. They prefer fruit above other food items, but will also eat leaves, leaf buds, seeds, honey, insects, eggs, small to medium-sized mammals, and primates. Of particular interest are the red colobus and red-tailed monkeys, as well as baboons, bush babies, and common warthogs. Their arboreal hunting campaigns are extremely complex. Individual chimps are designated a specific task, flush out prey, block their movements, and direct the prey into a designated kill zone, where they are ambushed by the awaiting chimps. Chimpanzees are also the only known animals, like humans, that kill for reasons other than food. As with most species, habitat loss or destruction is the biggest threat to their survival. West and Central Africa have seen extensive road building, which has caused segregation and fragmentation of chimpanzee habitats. These new roads also give easy access to poachers, who target chimpanzees for bushmeat to sell in the local markets. The major cause of death of chimps is infectious diseases. They suffer from many human diseases due to their similar DNA makeup. As the human population grows, so does the risk of disease transmission between humans and chimpanzees. The other closest relation is the bonobo. Restricted to the lowland rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, bonobos inhabit an area south of the Congo River. This region's thick forest canopy and swampy areas create an environment rich in fruit and vegetation, which forms the bulk of their diet. The relative isolation of their habitat has also influenced their unique social behaviors. Once called the pygmy chimp, they differ from the common chimp in appearance, with longer limbs, darker faces, and a tail tuft with parted long hair on their heads. Their social structure differs from that of other great apes due to the matriarchal structure of their society. The controlling hierarchy is a coalition of females led by an older, more experienced female. The peacock, often celebrated for its stunning plumage and intricate courtship displays, is one of nature's captivating creatures. These birds are not only a symbol of beauty, but also carry significant cultural and ecological importance. Peacocks belong to the family Phasianidae and are part of the genus Pavo. The most recognized species are the Indian peacock, Pavo cristatus, the green peafowl, Pavo muticus, and the lesser-known, the Congo peafowl, Afropavo congensis. The Indian peacock is particularly famous for its vibrant tail feathers, known as a train, which can be over 1.5 meters long. The peacock's most striking feature is undoubtedly its iridescent feathers. The male peacock, or peafowl, exhibits a brilliant display of greens, blues, and gold. The intricate patterns and eye-like spots on its tail are used primarily to attract females during the mating season. During the mating season, male peacocks engage in elaborate courtship displays, showcasing their magnificent tail feathers. This display, known as fanning, involves the peacock spreading its train into a stunning fan shape, revealing its vibrant colors and eye patterns. In contrast, female peafowls, called peahens, are more subdued in coloration, featuring browns and tans that help them blend into their surroundings, especially when nesting. Their social structure is relatively loose, with no strict hierarchy, though dominant males may establish territories during the breeding season. Peacocks are native to South Asia, but they have been introduced to various parts of the world, including Africa, Australia, and the Americas. They thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Their adaptability to different environments is partly due to their omnivorous diet, which includes seeds, fruits, insects, and small animals. Peacocks are primarily ground feeders, foraging for food in the underbrush. They are known to be opportunistic eaters, consuming a wide array of food sources, which helps them adapt to different environments. Their foraging behavior not only aids in their survival, but also contributes to the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and seed dispersal. The male will also emit a series of calls and dance to attract the attention of peahens. Peahens are selective in choosing their mates, often opting for males with the most impressive displays. This preference for visually striking males is thought to be an evolutionary trait, as it indicates good health and genetic fitness. Studies have shown that peacocks with larger, more colorful trains are more likely to successfully mate and pass on their genes. Peafowl are social birds, often found in small groups or flocks. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, which serve different purposes, such as alerting others to danger or signaling their presence. The white peacock is a stunning bird, known for its striking appearance, characterized by its pure white plumage and iridescent tail feathers. Unlike the Indian peacock, the white peacock's coloration is due to a genetic mutation that affects pigmentation. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, white peacocks hold cultural significance in various societies, symbolizing purity, peace, and renewal. They are often featured in art, literature, and mythology. There are approximately 393 species of parrots, which are divided into three main families: Psittacidae, Cacatuidae, and Strigopidae. Each family includes a variety of species, each with unique characteristics. True parrots. The Psittacidae family includes many well-known species, such as the African grey, macaws, and Amazon parrots. These birds are characterized by their strong, curved beaks and zygodactyl feet, which allow them to grasp branches and manipulate food with ease. Macaws are strikingly colorful and are among the largest parrots. The beak is strong and curved, perfectly adapted for cracking nuts and seeds, which form a significant part of their diet. The African grey is renowned for its exceptional intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Studies have shown that these birds possess cognitive abilities comparable to those of a 5-year-old child, making them a popular choice for pet owners. The Timneh variety, Psittacus erythacus timneh, is smaller than the Congo grey, and this subspecies has a darker coloration. In addition, it is known for its playful demeanor. The Congo African grey, Psittacus erythacus erythacus, is the most common species in captivity, known for its intelligence and remarkable vocal capabilities. Macaws are strikingly colorful and are among the largest parrots. They are native to Central and South America, where they inhabit rainforests, savannas, and woodlands. The great green macaw is a large and vibrant parrot characterized by its predominantly green feathers. It also displays accents of blue on its wings and a vibrant red forehead. They are among the largest of the parrots, measuring approximately 81 centimeters in length. Their wingspan can reach up to 122 centimeters, making them impressive flyers. The blue and yellow macaw, Ara araraona, is easily identifiable by its striking coloration. The feathers on its upper body are a rich blue, while the undersides are a vibrant yellow. The bird's face is adorned with a white patch of skin, which is often dotted with small black feathers. Its long tail feathers, which can measure up to 76 centimeters, also sport the same brilliant blue hue, creating a stunning visual when the bird is in flight. The scarlet macaw, Ara macau, is adorned with vibrant red, yellow, and blue feathers. The vibrant red feathers cover most of their bodies. They have bright yellow and blue feathers on their wings, creating a stunning contrast when they fly. Adult scarlet macaws can reach lengths of up to 90 centimeters from beak to tail, with a wingspan that can exceed 1.2 meters. These birds can live for over 50 years in the wild and even longer in captivity, making them a long-term commitment for any potential owner. The hyacinth macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, the largest of all flying parrot species, known for its striking cobalt blue feathers and impressive wingspan. The Catalina macaw, sometimes known as the rainbow macaw, is a first-generation hybrid between the blue and gold and scarlet macaw, and can live up to 60 years in captivity. Their chest, abdomen, and back are usually orange or yellowish, with greens and blues on the wings, with the coloration most strongly influenced by paternal genes. They have a white chin with black patches around it, and their beak is usually grey. Lorikeets are another type of parrot within the vast and diverse family. They belong to the genus Trichoglossus, which translates to hairy tongue, a reference to the specialized structure of their tongues, which are adapted for extracting nectar from flowers. Unlike many other parrots, lorikeets primarily feed on nectar, fruit, and pollen, making them essential pollinators in their ecosystems. The lorikeet family includes a wide variety of species and subspecies. Some of the most notable ones are the rainbow lorikeet, Trichoglossus molucanus. It is native to Australia and certain islands in the southwestern Pacific. Its vibrant green body, bright blue head, and orange-yellow breast make it a favorite among birdwatchers. Within this species, there are several subspecies spread across various regions, each displaying slight variations in coloration and size. The entire family of parrots together show off the brilliant colors and shapes and beauty of nature in the animal kingdom. Sulfur-crested cockatoos are known for their loud and distinctive calls, which have evolved to effectively penetrate the dense forest environments of their habitat. These birds exhibit high levels of curiosity and intelligence. In captivity, some cockatoos will even engage in spontaneous dancing to music, showcasing a range of unique movements. Additionally, sulfur-crested cockatoos are known for their longevity, with some individuals living for over 70 years when kept in captivity. As their name suggests, black cockatoos are predominantly black, but they often have vibrant markings. Black cockatoos inhabit a range of environments, from forests and woodlands to savannas. They prefer areas with a good supply of food sources, such as eucalyptus and banksia trees. In nearby islands of New Zealand, there have evolved some unique birds. This New Zealand parrot family Strigopidae includes some unique species such as the kakapo and the kea, which are endemic to New Zealand. They exhibit behaviors and adaptations that reflect their island habitats. Keas are highly intelligent and are known for their problem-solving abilities. They have been observed using tools and exhibiting complex social behaviors. Their intelligence is comparable to that of some primates. They primarily inhabit the mountainous regions of the South Island, particularly in areas with alpine vegetation. They are often found in the beech forests and subalpine zones. They are omnivorous and have a varied diet that includes fruits, seeds, flowers, insects, and even carrion. They are known to scavenge and have been observed interacting with human environments, sometimes causing damage to vehicles and property. The kakapo is a flightless parrot that has become critically endangered due to habitat loss and introduced predators. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect this unique species. Kangaroos are iconic marsupials native to Australia, known for their unique adaptations and social behavior. These unique creatures belong to the family Macropodidae, which translates to big foot. With their powerful hind legs, large feet and strong tails, kangaroos are perfectly adapted to the diverse environments of the Australian continent. The kangaroo family includes several species, each with distinct characteristics and adaptations. The primary species of kangaroos are the red, the eastern grey, the western grey, and the antilopine kangaroo. In the wild, kangaroos typically live for around 8 to 12 years, although some individuals can live longer under optimal conditions. In captivity, with proper care, they may live up to 20 years. Kangaroos exhibit fascinating social behaviors and interactions. They are primarily herbivorous, feeding on grasses, leaves, and shoots. Most species are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. They are social animals and typically live in groups called mobs. A mob can consist of several individuals, including males, females, and young. The social structure within a mob is often hierarchical, with dominant males establishing their status through displays of strength and agility. They communicate through various vocalizations, body language, and grooming behaviors. When alarmed, they may emit a low grunt or thump their hind feet to alert others in the mob. Kangaroo reproduction is unique among mammals due to their marsupial nature. Marsupials are characterized by giving birth to relatively undeveloped young, which typically continue to develop outside the womb while attached to a teat, often in a pouch. This unique reproductive strategy distinguishes them from placental mammals. The gestation period for kangaroos is relatively short, lasting about 30 to 36 days. After birth, the tiny, underdeveloped joey crawls into the mother's pouch, where it continues to develop for several months. The joey will remain in the pouch for about 6 to 8 months before beginning to emerge and explore the world. Marsupials are primarily found in Australia and New Guinea, but there are also species in the Americas, such as the opossum. They exhibit a range of dietary habits, including herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous diets. For example, koalas primarily eat eucalyptus leaves. While Tasmanian devils are carnivorous scavengers. The red kangaroo, Macropus rufus, is the largest living marsupial. Adult red kangaroos can reach heights of up to 2.4 meters, when standing on their hind legs, with males typically larger than females. They are primarily found in arid and semi-arid regions of Australia, including grasslands, scrublands, and deserts. They are well adapted to dry environments. Red kangaroos are known to be able to survive long periods without water, obtaining moisture from the vegetation they consume. They are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses and leaves. The western grey, Macropus fuliginosus, is primarily found in the southwestern regions of Australia. This species has a stocky build and features a more muted coloration. They also have two recognized subspecies, Macropus fuliginosus and a rarer subspecies, the Stirling Ranges western grey Macropus fuliginosus melanops. The eastern grey kangaroo, Macropus giganteus, is commonly found in the eastern regions of Australia, particularly in open forests and grasslands. This species is characterized by its grey fur and a more robust body compared to the red kangaroo. Eastern greys are social animals, often seen in groups called mobs. The antilopine kangaroo, Macropus antilopinus, is less common and is primarily found in the tropical regions of northern Australia. It is characterized by its slender build and long legs, which enable it to move swiftly through its habitat. Unlike other kangaroo species, the antilopine kangaroo tends to favor more dense vegetation. Over millions of years, Australia was home to a variety of large marsupials, including giant kangaroos, which stood over 2 meters tall. These megafauna species eventually went extinct, likely due to climate changes and human activities. Kangaroos have been an important part of Aboriginal culture for thousands of years. They are featured in rock art and traditional stories, and they have been a source of food and materials for Indigenous Australians. With the arrival of European settlers in the late 18th century, kangaroos became symbols of Australia. They were studied scientifically, as their unique biology and behavior fascinated naturalists. The albino kangaroo is a rare variant characterized by a lack of pigmentation, resulting in a white or very light-colored coat and pink eyes. Albinism is caused by a genetic mutation that affects the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of the skin, fur, and eyes. This condition can occur in various species of kangaroos, including red kangaroos and eastern grey kangaroos. They have a striking appearance due to their white fur and pink eyes. The lack of pigmentation can make them more vulnerable in the wild, as they are more easily seen by predators. They are quite rare in the wild. Their unique coloration makes them stand out as a result. They are more commonly found in captivity, such as in zoos or wildlife parks. They may have some health issues related to their condition, such as sensitivity to sunlight and potential vision problems. Proper care and habitat management are essential for their well-being. Many marsupials have evolved unique adaptations to their environments, such as the ability to climb like the tree kangaroos, or to glide like the sugar glider. Kangaroos are found throughout the Australian continent, from the coast to the mountains and even suburbia. They are particularly drawn to green pastures and golf courses. They are an important cultural symbol for Australia and are featured in various aspects of Australian art, folklore and tourism. Often confused with their larger relatives, kangaroos, wallabies possess distinct characteristics that set them apart. They are also a member of the family Macropodidae. However, there are over 30 types of wallaby that are native to Australia and New Guinea. They are generally smaller than kangaroos, with a more compact build. They are herbivorous, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves and fruits. The eastern grey wallaby, Macropus giganteus, is one of the most commonly recognized wallaby species, found primarily in eastern Australia. The red-necked wallaby, Macropus rufogriseus, is distinguished by its reddish fur on the neck and shoulders. They are found in eastern Australia, while its Tasmanian counterpart M. r. banksianus exhibits a slightly smaller size. Wallabies tend to inhabit more niche habitats than their larger cousins, like swamps, dense vegetation and rocky outcrops. They are known for being shy and elusive, often avoiding human contact. The rock wallaby species entails about 17 types, based on location and coloration. Many are threatened or endangered, mainly by introduced foxes and cats. The yellow-footed rock wallaby, Petrogale xanthopus, is specifically found in rocky and rugged areas of the country, particularly in the arid regions of New South Wales, Queensland and South Australia. They have a distinctive appearance with a greyish-brown fur coat, bright yellow or orange patches on its feet and tail, and a white stripe running down its face. They inhabit rocky outcrops, cliffs, and steep slopes. They are well adapted to these habitats, using the rocky terrain for shelter and protection from predators. The brush-tailed rock wallaby, Petrogale penicillata, have a stocky body with a short, broad head and large, rounded ears. Its fur is typically a mix of grey and brown, with a lighter underside. The most distinctive feature is its bushy tail, which is often black at the tip. They are found in rocky outcrops, cliffs, and steep slopes, often in forested or scrubland areas. They prefer habitats that provide shelter and access to food. They are classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss, degradation, and predation by introduced species. Conservation efforts include habitat restoration, predator control, and breeding programs in captivity. The aim to increase population numbers and ensure the species' survival in the wild. There are even smaller species of macropod than the wallaby, like the red-legged pademelon, Thylogale stigmatica. They have a stocky body with a short, rounded head and large, expressive eyes. Its fur is typically a mix of brown and grey, with a paler underside. The most distinctive feature is its reddish or orange coloration on the legs and feet. Adults typically weigh between 5 to 10 kilograms. They are primarily found in rainforest and dense vegetation, particularly in eastern Australia, including areas in Queensland and New South Wales. They prefer habitats with plenty of cover for shelter and foraging. However, there is one species that takes cuteness to a new level. The quokka, Cetonix brachyurus, is a small marsupial native to Australia. It has garnered significant attention for its friendly demeanor and unique appearance. Often referred to as the world's happiest animal, the quokka's charming face and sociable nature have made it a favorite. This herbivorous marsupial is primarily found on the southwestern coast of Australia, particularly on Rottnest Island. The quokka is easily recognizable due to its round face, short ears, and stocky build, often measuring around 40 centimeters in length. They thrive in coastal shrublands and woodlands, favoring areas with dense vegetation that provide shelter and ample food sources. They are primarily nocturnal, foraging for food at night while resting during the day in the shade of bushes or among rocks. The quokka's diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and fruits, making it an essential part of the ecosystem. They appear to be one of the happier members of the animal kingdom,